In this video, we show how to replace a power supply in a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the power supply, press the orange release latch and pull out on the handle and slide it out. To install a power supply, line it with the rear of the system and slide it all the way in until it clicks into place. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.